Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn to edit connectors using the Insert Edit Component dialog box. To start with, I will first open one drawing in the new project. I will just open this connector practice drawing. Now, to edit the connector, make sure you are in the Schematic tab, and then in the Edit Components panel, choose this Edit tool from this drop down. On choosing this tool, you are prompted to select the component. I will select this connector. On selecting the connector, the Insert Edit Component dialog box is displayed. We have already discussed the options in this dialog box which are common to all the components. Now we'll discuss the specific options in this dialog box which are related to the connectors. First, we'll go to this pins area. This area is used to assign pin numbers to the pins of a connector. To assign the pin numbers, you need to choose the list button in this area. On choosing the list button, the connector pin numbers in use dialog box is displayed. This dialog box lists the pin numbers that have been assigned to the connectors. You can see here tag is displayed for this connector, selected connector, then the pin count is displayed, and then this pin list area is there. This pin list area displays all available pins that can be assigned to a connector. Next, the sheet reference column. It displays the sheet number and the reference line number of a connector. For this particular drawing, as we have not mentioned any sheet number, this column has question mark for all the connector pins. Next, the plug column is there. This column displays the pin number of the plug. To change these pin numbers, you need to go to this pin numbers area and then enter the new value in this plug edit box. Next, the description column is there. This column displays the description of the terminal which is linked to a wire connection point. The first description column displays the description of a plug, and the second description column, which is after this receptacle column, displays the description of a receptacle. You can edit or add the description for both these columns by specifying the description over here in this pin descriptions area. Suppose I select this first entry. Now you can see here I can change the pin numbers for plug and receptacle, and I can even add or edit the description for the first plug pin and the first receptacle pin also. Next, the receptacle column is there. It displays the pin number of a receptacle. Next, you can see the wire numbers column is there. This column displays the wire numbers associated to a connector. If I assign wire numbers into this drawing, these wire numbers for those respective connector pins will be displayed in this wire numbers column. Next, we have already discussed this pin numbers area and pin descriptions area, where you can enter the pin numbers and descriptions for the respective plug and receptacle pins. And here you can see either you can edit the pin numbers and descriptions using these edit boxes, or here you can use these arrow buttons to increment or decrement the pin numbers in these edit boxes. So this way you can edit the connectors using this dialog box. Once you specify the information, you can choose the OK button here, and then you can also edit other information related to the connector using the other options in this dialog box, and then you can choose the OK button to edit the connector. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.